I'm so excited to share with you another one of my watch. A lot of my fans are asking, hey Dan, can you show us more of your watch collection? This is probably one of the watches that I wear the most often because it's casual. I can be in business suit or I could be just casual wear and this watch would work. It is another AP watch. Now I have a lot of watches, but really I like about 2 to 3 brands. That's about it. There are a lot of brands, a lot of them are great brands out there, but for me, my favorite, 2 or 3 brands. So AP definitely is one of them. So if you see my other videos, you haven't seen that, you can click on the link here that I have shown this particular AP watch. So for this particular one that I actually have for a while now, and you can even see the box is a little bit older, right? It's like an old box compared to the new box. You can see the new packaging. So how AP has improved quite a bit. Even the box itself, you can see like this box versus the new box versus the older box, right? So this is the watch. So it's still royal oak and rose gold. And you can see now this watch, they actually AP, they don't make them anymore. So it's quite rare, quite difficult to find. And you can see it's actually compared to this one. This one has the 3 dials. This one is the 2 dials. It's a little bit lighter, a little bit smaller. And I love black because black is kind of part of my brand colors, right? And you can see the rose gold, a little bit smaller, a little bit lighter. This one I could wear all day, I wouldn't feel a thing, right? I wouldn't feel anything. And as you can see, of course, typical, you can see. You see that? AP, stripes, right? Crocodile skin, right there. Okay, let me put this on for you. So from here, see, very simple, clean, elegant, business, casual, it works. Part of the reasons I like AP watch, and you might think, well, those 2 watches looks quite similar, and they are very, very similar. A lot of the AP watches are very similar. It's just slightly different in color, maybe the design is a little bit different, but they're pretty similar in terms of, and I like only rose gold, so only certain colors that I do like, but black and gold, you can't go wrong as a man. What's very interesting is I have a lot of friends who are also AP watch collectors, and they have a lot of AP watches. And when I see their collections, and it's like, it's almost the same watch, but they have like 10 different colors. This is a little bit like Jenny, you know, I asked Jenny, why do you need so many Audemars bags? They all look the same, right? It's Birkins, it's Kelly. It's all the same, it's just different color. Well, this is kind of like a man thing, right? It's the same, it's kind of same kind of watch, but just different color for collector. That's what we like. So there you go, unboxing the AP watch.